guys, I'm Chantal from Growing Up Without Borders. Welcome to our channel. If you are brand new and this is the very first video you are watching, welcome, welcome. It's a little bit different than our traditional videos because we travel around the world with our three girls and we literally showcase different cities and countries. We've been to almost 100 countries with our girls and we are en route to visit every country in the world. But today we're doing something a little different. So today I'm just going to share with you something that we've been working on for the last little while, and we're really excited to share it with you because a lot of people have been commenting on our videos and sending me emails and asking us, how do we manage to do what we do? Like, what do you do for work? Or have you some people have asked if we've received inheritance money or the lottery or different things like that. Because of course, when you're traveling around the world and it looks like we're having fun all the time and all we showcase is having fun, because who wants to watch a video of us sitting at a laptop working, right? So we don't show any of those things in our videos. We only show you the fun things that we're doing and all the fun, cool activities that we do in these cities and these countries. But the reality is we do work, and so we're too young to be like retired and we haven't won the lottery. But the reality is what you call digital nomads. And if anyone has never heard of that term, basically a digital nomad is someone who is nomadic, so they can move around and live location independent. They are digital, so they work online. And so that's what we do. We started a business, my husband and I, when we first got married. It's been running since 2001. We're actually Canadians, so we were born and raised in Canada. And when Chloe, that's our youngest, was 8 years old, we decided to escape the Canadian winters. Not 8 years old, she was a baby. It was 2008. We went to Florida. If anyone of you knows what a Canadian winter is like, it is the most awful thing you could go through. It's so cold and so freezing and horrible and snow everywhere. So we're not into snow or cold. So we escaped the Canadian winter and went south to Florida, and we did that on and off for 6 years. And it was a really good testing ground because we were able to see that we can continue to run our business. And it seems pretty easy, right? You're in the same time zone, internet works, everything's fine and everything like that. And then we decided to step it up a notch. And in 2013, we decided to go to Europe on a 5-week holiday with the girls, take them out of school, test, if you will, homeschooling them. I mean, it was easy because they were so young. But we did 5 weeks, and those 5 weeks turned into 3 months, and those 3 months turned into now what is like 6 years. So since then, we've been really moving around here and there and here and there, and we took them out of school. This is our year 3 of homeschooling the girls, running and managing our businesses, and literally traveling at the same time. And you think, like, how is that even possible? How can you fit it all on your plate? And people are often like wondering that. And so yes, it does take a lot of work and there is a lot of back-end things that happen, but we have taken our whole 18 years of experience in our traditional business and implemented it with what we do for all of our things in life, if you will. So a lot of it is systems that we've put into place, and we want to share that with you guys. So we have created a brand new course to basically download 18 years of knowledge and experience that we've had with fails and successes. So we want to basically download our brains into yours through this course, and we've created a step-by-step system of how you can start from like literally scratch, where you should start. And it's really exciting because we do things a little differently. So we're going to share that with you guys. We're just so excited because I think this will really propel anybody who's wanting to get started either in an online business, a traditional business, and or you may have already a business and you just want to implement some really cool systems. So we've made it into different chapters, and you can jump and skip at any point. So as soon as you purchase the course and the course launches, which will be January 3rd, 2020, you can have access to everything. So you can jump and skip if you have already implemented maybe this part of your business and you want to skip down to the others, go for it. So we're really excited to launch this, share this with you, and hopefully propel you guys to be able to travel the world as we do. And if you don't, maybe you just want to take an extended vacation and be able to, continue running your business while you're away. So to sign up, you can go to courses.growingupwithoutborders.com. I'm putting all the details in the description below. And we are also offering an early bird special for anybody who wants to join now, basically before the launch. It's going to be open until December 27th for that early bird special, and then after that the price goes up. So it's going to be a 25% savings. So all the information will be below. You can click the link and get all the details. If you have any questions at all, feel free to either email us or comment below. You can go to our contact page on Growing Up Without Borders. There's all the information there to reach us. We hope that this will help you guys to maybe either start a business of your own, live location independent if that's your wish and desire, or maybe just help you get out of that 9-to-5 job that you have, because it is, we haven't had that for many, many years, and I can't imagine going back to corporate life and, having to show up somewhere, 9-to-5 kind of thing and be tied down. It would be horrible. So anyway, come in on the fun, join our course, ask us questions. We are there for you guys. Who knows, it might change. If you guys want to see something implemented, the beauty of what we've created is that we can add things at any point. So if you have specific questions that you want to know specifically, ask us, and we can also include that in the course. Okay, you guys? So as always, I know this isn't our traditional video, but make sure you subscribe, because we are taking you literally to every country in the world. We're going to show you around all these crazy, beautiful places to discover. Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.